Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing you how to make a chicken pot pie. Place a Dutch oven or large pot over a medium-high heat and add in 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, add in 1 medium diced onion and 2 medium sliced carrots. And you're going to saute those together for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally or until the veggies are soft. Then sprinkle the top with 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and stir constantly for about 2 minutes. The flour should be golden in color. This will help thicken up the sauce. Then add in 2 cups of chicken stock and half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Bring your mixture to a simmer, then continue cooking for another minute or until the mixture is a thick gravy consistency. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Now just before you turn off the heat, add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, or season the mixture to taste. Then add in 4 cups of cooked shredded chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken. Then add in 1 cup of frozen peas and 1 cup of frozen corn. Then stir that together until well combined. This filling is amazing. Then you're going to take it off the heat and let cool slightly as you roll out your pie crust. Now I'm using our favorite easy homemade all butter pie crust that I've been chilling in the refrigerator. This pie crust is incredible. I'll leave the link to that video in the description below. On a clean floured surface, you're going to roll out your first pie crust. You're going to roll it out to about a 12-inch diameter circle. Now the easiest way to transfer this into the pie dish is to wrap it around your rolling pin gently. Then mold that gently into the dish and you should have a little bit of dough hanging over the edges. Then you're going to pour in your chicken pot filling. Then spread the filling evenly into the pie pan. Then set that aside and it's time to roll out your second pie crust. And you're going to roll it out into a 10-inch diameter circle. Then transfer this pie dough the same way. Then tuck the top crust under the bottom crust. Then you can either crimp or flute the edges of your pie dough. Just push the dough in with 1 finger on one hand and pinch around it with 2 fingers on the other hand. Then pat the edges down slightly so they don't brown too much in the oven. Next, you're going to cut 6 2-inch slits in the center of your pie. This will create vents for steam to escape. Now to give the pie a beautiful golden color when it's baked, you want to beat 1 large egg and brush that egg wash all over the top of the pie. Then you're going to bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the top crust is golden brown. Once it's out of the oven, you want to let it rest for about 10 minutes to cool slightly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this homemade chicken pot pie recipe, and you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!